so much to do here. I feel like we're
Regular schmo. There he goes. Look at that little bird. He's so fast, it's like a bat. They almost look like a dragonfly. There he goes, there he goes. Oh my god, there's two.
They're different birds.
Good morning, guys. We are in Leavenworth, and it is beautiful. Leavenworth is a fairy tale-like Bavarian-inspired village in the mountains of Washington. It's about a 2-hour drive from Seattle. I lived in Germany for several years, and I had been feeling a little homesick, or Heimweh, as they would say in German. So we decided to drive to Leavenworth from Seattle for a small vacation. Thought I would film a little room tour since this room is so cute. One nice thing is they give you robes, which I always think is a great detail. I really like the details of the pillows and the curtains. Definitely has that Bavarian charm. Over here is the bed, which is extremely comfortable. We just made the bed ourselves this morning, so it's not perfect. This isn't what it looked like when we came in. This is a dress that Elijah made. I thought it'd be perfect for today because it kind of feels like a little fairy tale dress. White sneakers on, because we're going to be doing a lot of walking. This bag that was thrifted. If I can get a little better shot in here. The dress. I sewed on these buttons. I'm very proud of that. And then I'm just taking this little crochet bag. There we are. We're ready to go. So what's the plan today?
Let's get a cup of coffee.
So we're going to get a cup of coffee. And then I think we want to see gingerbread house. Store that sells gemstones, and then there's a store that will have the largest amber collection in the Northwest.
According to the map.
According to the map. Although this weather over here is worrying me a little bit. We're walking back in the rain. Yes?
Yeah.
Yes?
Mm-hmm.
Love to taste this cream.
Yeah.
I'll have to come.
Oh, that one's. Because you're approved.
I made it.
All right. So you didn't run the car out.
Oh, good. Not yet. We're early days. So, Uber back, or what do you think? So there are no Ubers in Leavenworth. So we're walking back in the rain. Good thing I brought this scarf. Although it's pretty sheer, so I'm pretty sure that my hair will be a gigantic goofball. That's alright. Curly hair problems. It's not a really great day today. Saw some cute stuff. I bought some cool jewelry. I'll show you later when I get back to the hotel. Yeah, it's still a really nice little town. Getting a little mountain showers. There are worse problems. So we've made it back to the room. It's still raining, and just in case you thought I was exaggerating about my hair, I was not. Trying to decide if we're going to go to the hot tub or not, because a hot tub soak sounds really nice. It stopped raining, so I think that we're gonna try very optimistically to head out to the hot tub. Do you want to stand up and show people your hot tub outfit?
Yes, I do.
We are back in Leavenworth. We decided to come down a little bit, spend a little more time here since it's so sunny and beautiful today, and take a couple more minutes to look through some shops and things before we head back home. Look at that.
I'm the doctor. Oh, that's me. Oh yes, I see the resemblance now. It does look like this.
And sitting outside in a beer
A
garden.
little pretzel.
Should we go to this little beer garden? Why not? We haven't been in there.
Yeah, different one.
Do you like the little fake Germany?
Yes.
Are we gonna go to real Germany
Yeah.
next year? So what are we gonna do next?
We're gonna drive some more, which is really exciting. And we're gonna go to a waterfall.
I think the mood of my vlog from now on is just going to be Schlager music in the background.
Goes with everything. Puts you in a good mood.
Schlager all the time.
Slight detour. We stopped to get gas and there was a little thrift store across the street, so we're gonna pop in and see if we find anything cool. That David Duchovny. Looking good.